Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Pathfinder brake light. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new 3157 bulb. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. Open the rear hatch to gain easy access to the taillight assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process, saving you time and effort. Having everything ready beforehand is key to a quick fix. Now let's remove the taillight assembly. Locate the two visible Phillips head screws on the inside edge of the taillight and carefully remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the taillight assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a bit snug due to alignment pins, so a slight wiggle can help. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small release tab and pulling it apart. This frees the entire assembly. With the taillight assembly removed, it's time to replace the bulb. Identify the brake light bulb socket, which is usually the larger one. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Carefully remove the old 3157 bulb by pulling it directly from the socket. Now, take your new 3157 bulb and firmly push it into the clean socket until it's seated properly. Ensure it's secure before proceeding. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Carefully align the taillight assembly with the body of your Pathfinder, making sure the alignment pins slide into their respective holes. Gently push the assembly back into position. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to secure the assembly without over-tightening. Finally, test your new brake light by having someone press the brake pedal while you observe. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This ensures everything is working correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.